Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today again I came with an exciting video for all you guys. May this thing help you, means the thing you are learning in your campus maybe implement in the real life, or you are training for something which you want, like you want skills, you don't want theory. You are bored by studying theory. So today I'm going to explain that today in our video we are going to learn how to connect EC2 with Jenkins. Means I will tell you every step that you have to insert in EC2, but I will not tell about the Jenkins one. For that I will create another video. I will just tell you how to establish the connection. In my previous video you have also seen we have connect with Jinx. Okay, so today we will do with Jenkins. So first question, what is Jenkins? It's a powerful open source automation service used primarily in DevOps. Means DevOps means development and operation teams, a culture followed by both. They use it. Okay, what does it do? It automates the building, testing and deploying code. Means your work is going on in automations. And main thing in automations, there are two things in DevOps I want to tell you: CI and CD. CI means continuous integrity, and CD means continuity of delivery, continuous delivery. So today we are going to make it a connect, not going more on theory, which you can google it. Obviously I will also google every time. I used to google. There is no shame, guys. Things are made for us only. So today I'm going to teach you how to connect. First, our basic thing, as we have learned in our previous video, we are going to create an EC2 video, sorry, EC2 instance. So let's create an instance. See, my EC2 is here only. I will click here, then I will just go to launch instances. Remember, we are going to create a basic instance, but here today I will do something with security. Here we are going to launch our instance with name of demo. Then we are going to choose Linux as our OS, which is already by default. Now we are going to keep here whichever you have made, or create a new one, up to you. Now see here, today we will do something with network security. Nothing much. I will just go here, then you can see here type, it's SSH, port range and description, add new one, custom. I will just give port range as 8080. Okay, so what will be the source will be connected, this is custom C, and this is code for anywhere, means everyone can access it. This is first rule, this is second rule. You can also remove the first one and enter the second one. It's everything up to you. This is also same. We are not going to add anything in advanced details. Now launch the instance and let's wait for our instance process to get completed. See, our instance is launched. Go back to instances. Here you can see wait for instance state and status check till it's complete. Just click on reload button. See, it's also initializing. Once let it be completed, means this is not a thing that you can't run. You may run, but I prefer to go, because in upper things in cloud, when we are going to make some advanced projects, means we are going to do some kind of thing which we are not doing today. We are doing so much basic. In your intermediate level, or I say at your expert level, you have to compromise with these things. So it's better to adapt the habit from here only. Okay, so let's reload. So you can see here our status check is also completed. Now we will move forward. Just open your instance. See, here you can see a connect one. Click on it. You will land here. Now click on SSH. I clicked here. You can read. Now what we need to do, we need to copy this one. Here you can see example. I copied it. Now go to your downloads. downloads, you can understand that. Go to your downloads where you have created the key, means key pair where you have created. Go there and open that. So here I have opened my download one. Then I need to click here. Here you can see, here you need to, guys, you know how to open CMD. Just click here, write CMD. So your CMD with this particular location will be opened. See, so I am a user in C drive. My name is Drago and I'm in my download one. If you will open normal, you need to change the directory first. That also you can do with CD command. Okay, so what will we do? The SSH which we have copied from here. See here, copied, open this, then paste. Paste it, click enter. Just wait for, see, yes, warning came. Now you can see that we are in our instance. We have entered in our instance. Now what will we do? I'm going to tell you a command which you need to just put there. So just, you can see this commands in descriptions also, but you know, some echo commands I'm not able to find a way to put there. So this is the command. Click on enter. See, downloaded one file this much. Now what is the main thing? We need to import a key. Now what is a key, what are these things, I'm going to tell you later, not now. Means now we have imported the key. We wrote here key import, whatever the functions are there. Means, see, I am telling you these commands, not like just copy paste, but few things are there we need to just copy paste. We don't need to do anything. Okay, see here, the sudo. So they are working or not, we will get to know after our few commands. See here, now maybe the technical glitch was there that two commands run together. Here you can see, after my one command only second after my key command the other command ran out. So just wait for the installing process. This is a bit quick, but sometimes, you know, network error or something like that you get. So our last command was, I have downloaded that Amazon Contour Travel. So again I will install our main thing, Jenkins. So let's install it first. See, Y is for yes. If somewhere it's written you need to write full yes, you need to do this. These are basic things. And if you are a student of BC and MCA, you must know this basic thing. If you don't know, just see and learn. Go back to the video. See, now we will check the status. It's downloaded or not. It's showing it's complete. Now let's check the status. See, this is the main thing. From here the story begins. Whatever you have done previously is updating your system, basic requirements, installing Jenkins, and much more. Okay, that was not a big issue. Now the issue starts. So guys, stay focused that what are the things I'm going to do, or you can just rewind and look at one or two times if you don't get it. So here, see here properly, it's a disabled, loaded is disabled, active is inactive or dead, present is disabled. So first what we need to do is enable our Jenkins. So how we will enable it? We will first write a command, that is basic sudo systemctl, then enable Jenkins, that space I will just copy here. Have a look. See, you can see, enter. Don't worry, I will give this command now. What you have enabled, now again just check the status. See, now first it was disabled, now it's enabled. Now not only this, we need to start also. There are two steps in Linux things, remember that. One is start and one is enable. Both things are different. Firstly we are enabling it, then we are starting. Like for a bike we are going to drive, firstly we need to enable it, means we need to have an access on it, then only we can start it if we are having a key. So first we are enabling it, then we are starting it. So what happened? Failed to start Jenkins unit not found. So what is this typo error? I will just have a look again. So here guys, I found my error. See, I was writing Jenkins. I need to write Jenkins. So these are the basic mistake which we usually do. Just have a look with open eyes. See, now I've clicked enter, now it's loading. Now see, here it has dropped the line, and now what we need, we have started also. We will again go. You can click the arrow key upward to take the previous commands. So now what happened? See here, it's running with the time and everything is here. See here, active running enabled. This present should be disabled. No need of this for current time. Means we don't need it for now. So we have done this much. Now I will go back to your EC2 instance. Okay, instance, we are going the instance which we have created in this one. You can see from here also. I am going inside the instance which I have created, this demo instance, and I have landed here directly on unlock your Jenkins page where I want to come. Now see here what we are getting. We are getting a page. We need to add a password. Means we need to give a password to login. So what we are going to do is I'm going to copy this line. This particular line I'm going to copy. Then I am going back to my CMD from where I did many steps previously. See, go back here, just here shift plus Q to end it. Somewhere escape also. Type the command here sudo space more space, then paste whatever you have copied. It's changing, it's giving you the information about that particular thing entered. Here what is displayed is our password. So copy it for the time. Just copy, then paste here. Now enter. We are in Jenkins now. So what I want to tell you that now we have came in Jenkins. I will just install suggested plugins. Next, where you will go to company or campus. Means from campus you will go to any company. They will tell you everything about this. So I'm just creating a basic one to show you that how the interface get get a look of the interface that you are going to watch if you will be working your life in Jenkins. So taking few seconds. See, now you need to add username, password, confirm full name, email. I'm skipping for now. Now instant configuration also not now. Jenkins is ready. I'm just using a basic, otherwise it will be a big video. So look here, this is the interface we are going to work on. From here you can have a look on everything, that whatever is going, like this is the interface you will be working on, create a job, this that everything I will discuss in my future video if I will create something on Jenkins only, not connecting EC2 with Jenkins. Remember that. If I forgot, please comment. I will make sure to make one. So I'm going to tell you now how I have learned so many commands, means what are the things which I have done. So right here, install Jenkins on Amazon Linux E2. So click on the first website. Here you can see Jenkins on AWS, pre-requirements, create a key in EC2. Every steps are given here on this website also, that how to connect. So scroll a bit down. So we will see here the commands. For the first command is for updating your system, which I have not done. I have directly add the Jenkins repo, then I have added the key, then I have installed the Java environment, then I have installed, you can see here. So guys, this much only. Thanks for watching my video. You have connected successfully. Don't forget to delete your instance, don't keep it running. So just look at that. Okay guys, thank you, meet you in next video.